Rich Walag, Indiana, Michigan Power Hydroelectric Dam Supervisor. The original dam was built in 1868, and the existing dam and powerhouse have been in operation since 1913, so 111 years of providing electricity and recreation for the community.
Can you explain to us what we're doing out here, the work?
Yeah, right now we're installing an impermeable layer of material, which is aqua block, and then we'll cover that with a protective layer of stone to keep it in place.
And why is it important to do this?
Proactively dam maintenance to ensure dam safety for the future.
Can you give us an update on how the work out here is progressing?
Yeah, we're still progressing towards the end goal. Construction workers are working 6 days a week, and they're placing the protective layer of stone over the first half of the aqua block today. They're still on track to be completed by Memorial Day.